Dugway, Windover, Utah.
67, 68.
Mile 2, 67.
70.
Lay it down, Joe.
It's pegged out. 74.
It's got it, it's got it.
Go, 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 go.
It's got it.
75.
We got room, we got
Go.
76 it dies. That's it. It's topped out.
No.
We're top, buddy. That's it. Maybe 76 and a half.
We'll round up to 77.
Or 77 in the rounding error. That's it. It just tops off that Richter. It doesn't go any faster. I love the speed though.
Yeah, it's a nice